Hey guys, it's Wicked. So today's unboxing is gonna be Family Guy Volume 6, 3 disc set. So let's get into it. So there's the front cover, pretty cool and stuff like that. Got all the characters there. Honestly, this would be a cool poster, you know. They go to side right there. They go to back right there. Got the special features right there. So boom. There's the list of the episodes and stuff like that, and special features again. So boom. Here are the 3 discs. So we got disc 1 right there. Got Peter and the chicken dude fighting. So yeah. We got Lois and Stewie fighting on disc 2 right there. And here's disc 3, whatever going on over here. A bunch of chaos. So yeah, they got a cool background as well. Pretty cool. So yeah, that's pretty much it, stuff like that. So yeah, peace.